Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Hara Bhara Kababs. Let's start with the recipe. First we'll blanch the spinach. Into the boiling water add 1 cup of spinach and leave it there for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes take it out to the cold water to stop the cooking process. Now heat up a tablespoon of oil and add 1 inch of ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies and saute it a bit. Add 1 cup of green peas, 1 green bell pepper roughly diced and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. Allow it to cool down a little bit and transfer it to the mixer blender. Add 10 to 15 mint leaves, a handful of cilantro and make a coarse paste. Now strain the spinach and squeeze out the water completely. Chop it finely and keep it aside. Here I have taken 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add the paste, spinach, half a cup of grated paneer, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a cup of breadcrumbs. Just give everything a very good mix and the dough will be ready. Just take out the small portion from the dough and shape it into a patty and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Similarly, prepare the other patties. And here I am deep frying it. If you want, you can shallow fry it. Once they are done on one side, just flip them and cook it on the other side. Now take them out to a kitchen towel and the kebabs are ready to be served. To watch my other recipes, click the link displaying on the screen, and for the written recipes, please visit my blog cookwithshrutisarjan.blogspot.com, and if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.